slight issue. Alright, it's probably not going to come out. Alright, so watch what I do. Good. So he's going to come down with the ram again. And that should just pop it right down on the forks. There we go. And there's our bale of number 2 natural. Take it over to the scale. I will weigh it. Spin it around so it's facing the other way. Chauncey's cleaning out the baler. Oops, see, you've got to be careful. Okay. I'm gonna guess 740 to 760, somewhere in there. Oh, I gotta set the blocks up back up on the scale. Hold on a second. Oh, I was close. It's dancing between 715. I'll call it 715. That's not bad. It's kind of light, but it's easier to pop them when they're light than when they're too big. So that's it, bale, and number 2 natural. And this will be what the inside of the chamber looks. That's it. Kind of nasty. We'll put a piece of cardboard at the bottom of that because this is where the wires come through, and if you don't cover that, bottles will the necks or the bottles will get jammed in that and you can't run the wires. So the wires run up there. They can come right, it's hard to see because it's dark, I know, but then come right out. But that's the vertical baler and the baler number 2 natural. Thanks for watching.